Okay. Hope all of you have turned your book to page number 47. This is the continuation of the unit verbs. Okay. You all know what are verbs, right? What are verbs? Verbs are action words. Okay. Verbs, they show what someone or something is doing. Okay. Those words are called as verbs. Okay. Now here, exercise D or given on page number 47. Give the opposites of the following words, choosing them from the help box. Okay, so here you can see the help box given here. Okay, you have quickly, found, enemy, safe, dry, unhappy, started, and small. Okay, and you have the words given here. You need to select the or choose the right opposite of the given words. Okay, first one is large. Okay, so what is the opposite of large?
Small.
But it is small. First one. Okay, in the first dash here, write down SMALL, small. SMALL, small. SMALL, small.
Small, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Small. Write down the answer. Okay. Dash SMALL, small. Okay. Now, second one, dangerous. Okay, so which is the opposite of dangerous?
Safe, ma'am.
Very good, Varun. Okay, the second one, write down SAFE, safe. Second one is by the side. Please don't write it down like this. Kushal, you have to take your grammar book, okay, and turn your book to page number 47. Yes. Okay, second one is safe, SAFE, safe. Okay, SAFE, safe.
Ma'am, what is first one, ma'am?
First one, opposite of large is small. SMAL, small. Okay, and second one, opposite of dangerous is safe. SAFE, safe. Okay, now next third one, what is the opposite of lost?
Found. Found, ma'am.
Found, ma'am. Okay, now third one. FOUND, found. FOUND, found. Okay, opposite of lost is found. FOUD. Yes, Melvin? Okay, next, fourth one. What is the opposite of wet?
Dry, ma'am.
Wet is dry. Write down DRY, dry.
Ma'am.
Yes, Melvin?
Ma'am. Second word, what, ma'am?
Second one is safe. SAFE, safe. Okay, second one is safe. Third one is found. FOUND, found. Okay.
What, ma'am? Page number what, ma'am?
Page number 47, Kushal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Okay, now next one, fifth one, slowly. What is the opposite of slowly?
Quick.
Write down fifth one.
Quickly.
I,
Quickly.
QUI, QUI, CK, CK, LY, quickly. QUI, CK, LY, quickly. Okay, next, sixth one. What is the opposite of happy? Opposite of happy is?
Salmon.
You do not have the option of sad here. Okay, so instead of sad, you have another word. Happy. Okay. Okay, the sixth answer is unhappy. UNHAPPY. Unhappy.
What is sixth one, ma'am?
Sixth one, I'm spelling out. Write it down. Unhappy. The word is unhappy. Spelling is UNHAPPY. PPY. Unhappy. Okay. Next, seventh one. What is the opposite of stop? What is the opposite of stop?
Started, ma'am.
Very good. It is started. Right now. S.
Start.
Sleep.
Huh?
ARTED. Started. STARTED. Started.
Finished 2 words also, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Melissa, you had to say something. You wanted to say something, Melissa?
Melissa finished, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Now, next one, eighth one, friend. What is the opposite of friend?
Enemy, ma'am.
Yes, write down. EN.
What fifth one, ma'am?
Fifth one is quickly. 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 Okay. And the last one, eighth one is opposite of friend is enemy. 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 Okay. The ones who have finished writing, just check your answers. The ones who are still writing, write quickly. Okay. First one, the opposite of large is small. 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 Second one, opposite of dangerous is safe. 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 Third one, opposite of lost is found. 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 Fourth one, the opposite of wet is dry. DRY. Fifth one, opposite of slowly is quickly. 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 Sixth one, opposite of happy is unhappy. Happy, unhappy. Seventh one, opposite of stopped is started. Started, started. Okay, and the last one, opposite of friend is enemy. Enemy. Yes,
Spelling, ma'am.
which started ST ARTED, started. ST.
Ma'am, two may also finish, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Okay. Now the rest of you all have you all completed this? Shall I erase the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Alan. Okay, now we'll move on to the next exercise, exercise E. Okay, now here you have fill in the blanks with the right words from the help box. Okay, so here you have the help box given here. You have the words slowly, started, friends, glad, dangerous, and lost. Okay, you need to select the words from here and fill in the blank here. It is dash to run across a busy street. So which would be the right word that you can
Dangerous, ma'am.
Very good. Alan.
Dangerous.
Just write down. Okay, the first dash write down TAN DAN G page number 47. Okay, DAN.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good, Kavita. Okay, DANGEROUS, dangerous. Okay, DANGEROUS, dangerous. Okay, now next second one. Meeta was dashed when her cousin arrived from Mumbai.
Glad, ma'am. Glad.
GLAD, glad. GLAD, glad. GLAD, glad. Okay, next third one. The children walked dash to the bus stop. The children
Slowly, ma'am.
very good. Slowly, write down SLOW.
And the class.
SLOW. LY, slowly. SLOW. LY, slowly. Okay, next fourth one. Harish dashed his library book and dash.
Lost it, ma'am.
Lost, and then the next dash, what will you write?
Started, ma'am.
Very good. Harish lost his library book and started searching for it. Okay, so the first dash in the fourth sentence. LOST, lost. Okay, LOST, lost. And the same sentence, the second dash, write down started. ST.
What is fourth one, ma'am?
Fourth one, the first dash is lost. LOST, lost. Okay, Harish lost his library book. So lost, LOST, lost. And started. Second dash you will write started. STARTED, started searching for it. Okay. Next, fifth one, Nita and Meeta are great dash.
Friends, ma'am. Friends, ma'am.
Yes, write down F-R.
What the ma'am?
Fourth one, you have two dashes there. The first dash you have to write lost. L-O-S-T, lost. Okay. And the second dash you have to write started. S-T-A-R-T-E-D. Started. Okay, lost and second dash is started. The last one, fifth one is friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends.
Ma'am, fourth is that ma'am? Second is ma'am?
Which one, ma'am? This one. Started.
S
Started. S-T.
T
A-R.
A R
T-E-D.
T
E.
D.
Yes. Okay, started. And the last one is friends. F-R.
F R
I-E-N.
I E
E-N-D-S.
D
S. Okay. Now here, just the ones, very good. Okay, the ones who finish, just check your answers. The ones who are writing, write quickly. Okay, first one, it is dangerous to run across a business.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Second one, Neeta was glad when her cousin arrived from Mumbai. Third one, the children walked slowly to the bus stop. Fourth one, Harish lost his library book and started searching for it. And the last one, Neeta and Meeta are great friends. Okay, all of you have finished both the mains? Yes. Okay, now we move on to the next unit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, now we're going to start with the next unit, unit number 5, simple past tense. Okay, what do you mean? Who knows what is past tense? Who can tell what is past tense?
Action come.
Very good. It
Already
means that
completed.
the action
Ma'am,
was-
already completed, ma'am.
Yes, very good, children. Okay. So what does past tense mean? Past tense mean that something was done long back. Okay, it can be few hours back, a few minutes back, or even last week, yesterday, last year. Okay, something which has already happened. Okay, something which has already happened is called as past tense. The action has already been completed. This is called as simple past tense. Okay, now turn your book. Okay, turn your book to page number 49. Unit 5, simple past tense. Okay, read the sentences. 49, page number 49. Okay, read the sentences given below and note the verbs that are highlighted. The stranger knocked at the door. The old woman climbed up the steep hill. Okay, now the words that are highlighted here are knocked and climbed. Okay, it shows that this action has already happened. Okay, the verbs that are highlighted are in a simple past tense. The action, whatever the person already completed.
Ma'am, you must write, ma'am.
Don't write anything, I tell you. Okay, just listen. Okay. Next one, you have something given in the yellow box here, fun to know and easy to understand. The simple past tense shows that the action is already completed. Okay, the mother opened the door. Second one, the gardener watered the plants. Okay, which means the action is already finished. That is why it is called as simple past tense. Okay, now we will start working with worksheet 1. Fill in the blanks with the right verb in the bracket. So in each sentence, you have two options given here. You need to choose the right one. First one, the girls dash in joy. Okay, you have to clap. Very good. Write down the first one. CLA. Write down CLA. PPED. Clap. Okay. CLA. PPED. Clap. CLA. PPED. Clap. Okay. Next, second one, the leader dash his men to follow him. Ordered or order?
Ordered, ma'am.
Ordered. Okay, write down OR. DER. ED. Ordered. Okay, the leader ordered his men to follow him.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kushal?
ಇದು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ ma'am?
Yes, you have to write in your grammar book. Okay, I told you, no? Worksheet 1, first blank you should write clapped. CLAPPED. The first dash, write down clapped. 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 And second one is ordered. The leader ordered. Second one is ordered. OR. DER. ED. Okay, ordered. The leader ordered his men to follow him. Next, third one, the teacher dashed the students to copy the questions. Asked or asked?
Asked, ma'am.
Very good, it is asked. Okay, write down ASK. ASK. ED. ASK. ED. Asked. Okay, the teacher asked the students to copy the questions. ASK. ED. Okay, next, fourth one. The king dashes soldiers to march. Command or commanded? Very good. The king commanded. Write down the answer. CO. MM.
And what fourth one is, ma'am?
Fourth one is commanded. CO. MM. AND. ND.
Ma'am, 42nd one, ma'am.
ANDED. Commanded. Okay.
Mummy.
MMANDED. So now the second one is ordered. OR. Second one, Pranav, write down OR. DER. DER. ED. Ordered. Okay. Next, third one is asked. ASKED. Third one is
Listen, ma'am.
very good. Okay. Now next one, fifth one, the little boy of the birds. Listen or listen.
Listen, ma'am. And what is fourth one, listen, ma'am?
Fourth one is commanded. 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 And next fifth one is the boy listened. Okay, write down LISTENED. Listen. Okay. The little boy listened to the songs of the birds. Listened to the song of the birds. Next, sixth one. The river dashed smoothly.
Flowers, ma'am. Flowers. Flowers, ma'am.
Flowed.
Flowed, ma'am.
Yes, write down FLO. WED. FLOWED. Flowed. The river flowed smoothly. Okay, next, seventh one. The trees dash in the strong wind. Sway or swayed?
Strong, ma'am.
Swayed.
Swayed, ma'am.
Swayed. Yes, write down SWAYED. 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 Okay, next, eighth one. The wolf dashed the rabbit and caught it. Chase or chase?
Chased, ma'am.
Very good. It is chase. Write down CHA.
All words, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Write down the
And what is seventh one, ma'am?
seventh one is swayed. SW.
Warren Stephen finished, ma'am.
AY.
Ma'am.
So finished. Very good. The ones who are still writing, write quickly. Okay. Check your answers. Finished. Please check your answers. First one, the girls clapped in joy. Second one,
Ma'am, what's the eighth one, ma'am?
eighth one is chase. Okay. Second one is order. The leader ordered his men to follow him. Third one, the teacher asked the students to copy the questions. Fourth one, the king commanded his soldiers to march. Fifth one, the little boy listened to the song of the birds. Sixth one, the river flowed smoothly. Seventh one, the trees swayed in the strong wind. And the last one, the wolf chased the rabbit and caught it. Okay, very good. Yes, Varun Stephen is completed. The rest of you will also have finished. Anyone who's still writing?
Ma'am, I writing.
Right, Kavita. Okay. So with this, we will finish for today's class. Anyone has any doubt in what we did today? Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you all understood what was done in the class today?